It's story time. Story, story, story time. Let's read it story time. Story, story, story time. I'm geeked to story time. Story, story, story time. You and me, it's story time. Story, story, story time. Let's achieve. Hello, everyone out there, and welcome to story time with me, Kayla. How's your Sunday going? Did you get a chance to decorate for the holidays? I would love to know in the comments below. Now today we have another special author feature. Today we will take a look at a book from author Latoshia Martin, who has creatively, amazingly, wonderfully written a book that reminds us the power of literacy. And I am so excited to share with you all. And so, without further ado, the book we will be reading tonight is called What Do I Do With This? Written by Latoshia Martin. You ready to see what this book is all about? Ready, set, let's begin. Whoosh. What Do I Do With This? Written by Latoshia Martin and illustrated by Katya, Zayakina. My apologies if I mispronounced the illustrator's name. Look at that black boy on the cover. That black boy Joy. Doesn't it make you smile? I know it sure makes me smile. I love to see it. Hey, look, we got an autographed copy. Thank you so much, Latoshia. Here we go. This book is dedicated to my loving family. You are my inspiration, my support, and my life. Aw, shout out to all of you all watching. Thanks for tuning in. Happy birthday to you. Do you know what today is? Today is Isaiah's birthday. Everyone is so excited. Aw, everyone's at his birthday party. I can't believe it has been a year, Mom and Dad both say with a smile. Oh, so how old did Isaiah turn on his birthday? He turned 1 year old. That's why he got his one little candle right there. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Everyone shouts to Isaiah. These are for you, his sister Naya said as she points to his gifts. Open them! Excitedly shouted his brother Irie. Aw, that's a nice big sis and big brother helping their baby brother with his gifts. Mine! Mine! Isaiah says proudly. It's a book, his father laughingly says. Ooh, I love books as presents for Christmas, for my birthday, for just because I love a good book as a gift. What do I do with this? Thinks Isaiah as he puts it in his mouth. No, you don't eat it, giggled Mom. This is a book. We will read it to you. Aw. He tried to eat the book. I wonder how it tasted. Probably not good, right? Oh, what you think? What do I do with this? Is it a hat? Wonders Isaiah as he places it on his head. No, you don't wear it, exclaimed Irie. It's a book. I can read it to you. It will help you learn new words. Aw, that is a very nice big brother. Reading to his baby brother. A nice bonding time with the boys. What do I do with this? Is it a chair? Questions Isaiah as he flips it over to sit on it. No, you don't sit on it, chuckled Grandpa. I will read it to you. A book will allow you to visit far away places. Imagine trying to sit on a book. I don't think that will work out, especially with me, at least. What do I do with this? Wonders Isaiah as he stuffs it down his diaper. No, it doesn't go in your diaper, Grandma teasingly said. You can use books to learn about other people. That is so true. Books can teach you a whole lot of things. New words, you can learn about other people. You can get lost in a book for sure. What do I do with this? Is it a toy? Babbled Isaiah as he throws it in the air. No, you don't throw it, gasped Mom. I will read it to you every night before bedtime. Listening to me read will help you relax and fall asleep. It sure will. What do I do with this? Giggled Isaiah as he reaches for his mom. You can't eat it, wear it, sit on it, or throw it. A book is something that you read, explained Mom. Reading books builds your creativity. Yes, it sure does. Every time you open a book, you are opening your mind and letting that creativity just flow on out. You read a book. Reading books is the key to unlocking your imagination. Wow, I know what I should do with this book, excitingly thought Isaiah. Yes, it does. When you they open that book, you open that book, and the key is right there, and it unlocks your imagination. Look at that. I love that metaphor right there. This whole little... I caught it. Something magical happens when you open a book. Reading provides a wonderful opportunity for you and your child to connect. Listening to a story read aloud improves listening skills, fosters comprehension, boosts brain development, and so much more. Yes, it sure does. Man, if I could just take this one little scene right here and just like frame it and post it up somewhere. I need this. I need it posted everywhere, actually, under my library. And the author also left us with different ways to make reading fun. And guess what, K-Crew? We actually just did number 2 together. Reading aloud with your child can add more excitement to any book. We just did that together. Yes. What are some of the ways on this list that you will do to make reading fun at home? Let me know in the comments below. Definitely take a trip to the library is always a favorite, I say. And also be sure to check out her other books, and you can also scan this to follow her on social media. An excellent, excellent book. The end. Oh my goodness, K-Crew. This book was beyond amazing. You see why I was so excited to share with you all? Latosha, thank you so much for everything in this book. I want everyone out there to know that reading shouldn't feel like a chore, something you have to do. It's actually pretty fun, especially when you have great books that you're reading and you're reading along with someone else. Now, I hope you enjoyed reading this book as much as I did. To find your copy of What Do I Do With This, make sure to visit her website, and while you're there, you can also check out her other books, and of course, be sure to follow on social media. A big thank you to Latosha for this submission, and I definitely want to check out your other books for sure. I thank you all out there for joining me, but it's time to sing goodbye. Are we ready? Here we go. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. My friends, goodbye to you. I hope to see you again real soon. Be proud of all your work tonight. Now climb into bed and sleep real tight. On the count of 3, let's say goodnight. 1, 2, 3.